If you actually care about your hair, then stop making these mistakes. Most guys think expensive shampoos or random oils will magically fix everything. But the truth is, most hair problems happen because you're doing the wrong things every single day without realizing it. And the worst part, the more random products you try, the worse your hair usually gets. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 5 biggest hair problems most men face when growing or maintaining good hair. Thin hair, dry hair, dandruff, oily scalp, and hair fall. And unlike random internet advice, these are simple, practical fixes you can actually follow starting today. First, thin and flat hair. If your hair always looks weak, soft, flat, or lifeless, the problem usually isn't your shampoo. Most men with thin-looking hair focus only on products, but volume actually starts at the scalp. Your hair roots need proper blood circulation to grow stronger and healthier. When blood flow is poor, your hair gets less oxygen and fewer nutrients. That's when it starts looking weak and flat. The easiest fix is scalp massage. Use your fingertips or a silicone scalp massager for about 3 to 5 minutes twice a day. Apply light pressure and move in slow circular motions across the entire scalp. The best time to do this is before sleeping and before showering. If you have medium or long hair, avoid heavy oils during the day because they flatten the hair even more. Instead, use lightweight products like sea salt spray or texture powder for volume. Another important thing is haircut choice. If your hair's naturally thin, don't grow the sides too long. Ask your barber for shorter sides with more texture on top. Something like a textured crop, messy fringe, or layered middle part usually works much better for thin hair. And avoid this mistake. Don't overload your hair with thick waxes or greasy creams. They make thin hair separate and expose more scalp. The simple rule is this: volume starts at the roots, not from heavy products. Second, dry and frizzy hair. A lot of guys think dry hair means they need more oil, so they pour coconut oil directly onto dry hair and hope it fixes the problem. But oil is not moisture. Dry hair happens because your hair lacks water inside the strands. Oil only seals moisture in. It doesn't create moisture by itself. That's why your hair feels soft for 1 hour after oiling and then becomes rough and frizzy again. The correct method is simple. After washing your hair, gently towel dry it until it's slightly damp. Then apply a lightweight leave-in conditioner or moisturizing serum first. After that, use just 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil or argan oil to lock the moisture inside. This works especially well for guys with wavy, curly, or medium-length hair. Also, stop washing your hair with very hot water. Hot water strips natural moisture and makes frizz much worse. Use normal or slightly cool water instead. And don't shampoo daily unless your scalp is extremely oily. Most guys only need shampoo 2 to 3 times per week. For styling, use a wide tooth comb instead of aggressively brushing dry hair. Rough brushing causes breakage and frizz. The simple rule is this: hydrate first, then seal it. Third, dandruff. Most people completely misunderstand dandruff. Whenever flakes appear, they start applying more oil thinking the scalp is dry. But in most cases, dandruff is actually caused by excess oil and fungal buildup on the scalp. Your scalp naturally contains fungus. That's normal. But when too much oil builds up, the fungus grows faster and causes flakes, itching, and irritation. That's why adding more oil usually makes dandruff worse. The fix is using the right shampoo ingredients. Look for anti-dandruff shampoos with ketoconazole, zinc pyrithione, or salicylic acid. Use them 1 to 2 times per week, not every day. When applying shampoo, don't immediately rinse it out. Leave it on the scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes so the active ingredients actually work, and avoid scratching your scalp aggressively. That creates irritation and increases flaking. Another important thing, clean your pillowcases regularly. Dirty pillowcases collect oil, sweat, and bacteria, which can irritate the scalp even more. If you use hair wax, gel, or styling cream daily, make sure you wash product buildup properly. sleeping with layers of product on your scalp can worsen dandruff over time. The simple rule is this: dandruff needs treatment, not extra oil. Fourth, oily scalp. If your hair becomes greasy just a few hours after washing, you're probably stuck in the overwashing cycle. Most guys shampoo every single day because their scalp feels oily. But daily shampooing strips away natural oils too aggressively. Then your scalp tries to compensate by producing even more oil. So the cycle continues. The fix is gradually reducing shampoo frequency. Start by washing every other day instead of daily. After a few weeks, your scalp usually starts balancing itself naturally. Also, use lighter hair products. Thick pomades and oily creams make greasy hair look even worse. Matte clay or lightweight styling cream is usually better for oily scalps. Another underrated fix is using a wooden comb. Wooden combs distribute oil more evenly from the roots to the ends, instead of letting oil sit only on the scalp. And never touch your hair constantly throughout the day. Your hands transfer oil and dirt directly into your hair. For haircuts, shorter textured hairstyles usually look cleaner on oily hair compared to long, flat hairstyles. The simple rule is this: balance your scalp instead of constantly stripping it. Fifth, hair fall. First of all, don't panic over a few hairs on your comb. Some shedding every day is completely normal. But if you notice excessive hair fall, thinning around the temples, or visible scalp showing more than before, then you need to pay attention. Most men immediately buy random anti-hair fall shampoos, but hair fall is often connected to internal problems. Low protein intake, poor sleep, stress, iron deficiency, zinc deficiency, and vitamin D deficiency can all affect hair growth badly. Hair is mostly made from protein, so if your diet is weak, your hair becomes weak too. The first fix is improving nutrition. Eat enough protein daily from eggs, chicken, fish, paneer, yogurt, or protein shakes if needed. Try to sleep at least 7 hours because poor sleep increases stress hormones, which can affect hair growth. You can also consider basic hair supplements with biotin, zinc, iron, and vitamin D if your diet is inconsistent. And if your hairline is rapidly receding or thinning aggressively, don't ignore it for years. Visit a dermatologist early instead of waiting until the damage becomes harder to manage. The simple rule is this: healthy hair starts from inside your body. Final tip: most hair problems don't happen because your hair is bad. They happen because your routine is inconsistent. Good hair is mostly about simple habits repeated correctly for months. Use the right haircut for your face shape. Stop copying hairstyles that don't match your hair type, and build a routine that actually fits your scalp and hair condition. That's how you make your hair look better consistently, instead of depending on random products every week. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and watch the next video, because improving your hairstyle is one of the fastest ways to completely upgrade your appearance. And if you really want to level up your overall look, then watch these 2 videos on screen right now.